Good morning. Yeah, so we've been going on this journey, and the road hasn't been too bad. It's been pretty good. We got a big hill coming up though, which is pretty gnarly. After a kilometer bush drive on top of I think another on the highway, we're at the spot where we can't drive anymore, so it's all on foot. It's gonna be a huge drop once we get there, so we gotta evaluate that situation when they come to that point. Yeah, the terrain is amazing so far. Like my feet are almost still dry, which is crazy.
Yeah, but I want to go this way so we can walk through.
Yeah.
That's okay. Oh yeah.
No, this would be cool. Bit of a gorge here, so we're gonna try to descend because it's like a 60-foot drop. So we just basically got to the ridge line here. The view is pretty insane from what I'm seeing so far. Little bonus, that wasn't part of the main river system, what we were looking at, but it looks easily like probably a 100-footer. It keeps going way up.
Excited to have found this absolutely insane waterfall. We had no idea that it would be here.
Kind of doing another descent, but kind of tracking down the ridge line to another waterfall. It's a little sketchy because nobody has ever walked here, so you got these kind of big boulders that are covered in grass and moss, and when you step on them, they kind of just like flip and roll on you, so it's pretty sketchy. Yeah, I would have filmed more, but it was so sketchy getting down here. So basically we are now at the top of the second falls. It's pretty epic. Some good photos, but now the climb back. Starting the climb. Don't know how many of these we got ahead of us, but pretty good view.
Ah, and that view of the cliff. What a cliff system.
Yep, we are high up. Right, I think we topped out. Sun's starting to come out. Now it's the jaunt back. We don't know what we're in for though. Little H2O break. You can see the black flies are starting to pick up. So we're at the final leg here. I really couldn't document half of it because I was just barely making it through. Kind of got really exhausted at the end. My legs weren't even lifting. I was eating shit a lot. Not literally, but definitely falling. So we're filling up the pack raft so we can cross the last creek, and then the vehicle's right there, and about 160 kilometer drive home.